Okay, guys, I'm here to teach you guys how to install Huawei modem MTN on your laptop or computer. Yes, Huawei modem on your laptop or computer. So what you are going to do is we'll insert our modem on the inside the USB. So tada, you have inserted the modem inside. Okay, yes, let's wait for pop-up menu. Okay, setup X to come, then you press yes. Maybe yours might not come like this, so what you are going to do is we'll move to File Explorer. From File Explorer we'll scroll down, you see CD drive MTN logo is into it. So what we are going to do is we'll press auto run for the modem to install. Okay, I'm having problem with my this one, so what you are going to do is you remove it. Okay, yours will come like this. You press auto run, it will come, but mine, because of something, that's why it's not coming. So you just, after clicking on the auto run, pop out menu will come to tell you to install the setup of the modem. Okay, yeah, this is it. You press setup X, pressing the auto run, it will come like this. Auto run, yeah, it will come like this. Then you press next, then next, then next, then next. Okay, it's loading. Come on. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Let's wait for it to finish loading. Okay, we are still waiting for it to install. Left small, it will finish installing. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. It is installing. Okay, I think it's about to finish. Okay, we are done installing it. So finish. So what you are going to do is you press, it will come to this side, getting ready. Most they will tell you to go and set the APN. So this is where you set the APN. After doing everything, after installing the MTN broadband on your laptop, you come here, then come and press here. After pressing here, you move down, then you come and press here. Okay, yeah, there is nothing here, so you move back. Okay, mobile operator settings. Here is where you can add your own APN for you to get access to the internet. So you move back, and thank you for watching my videos, and I want you to subscribe to my channel so that I can get more videos for you guys to watch. Okay, mate, here is it. For some people it have not been coming, so what you are going to do next is, then our next step is you right click on the Windows Start button, then you click on Device Manager. Okay, after clicking on Device Manager, you move to Network Adapters, which is this one. Okay, you see the Huawei, this one marked. So what you are going to do is you update the driver by pressing here, then browse my computer for drivers, then let's pick from this one, then you select, then you install it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks.